The snail whispered. And the people followed its directions. It told them to find the land beyond the cloudy forest. In a place where the water reflects the skies like a perfect mirror. They ventured into the unknown, paddle by paddle. They arrived in a land of mystery, far away from all else. The water, it was so clean that they could drink it. The snail had guided them to the right place. They decided to stay, and they have now been here for the last 300 years. The people of Nzulezu. And it is here with them that I'm going to celebrate my birthday. Today, I complete 24 revolutions around the sun. My 24th birthday is a special one, not only because of all of these cute kids, but because I'm beginning a big project today. It will last one whole year and require my full energy and commitment. The name of the project is Project 24. Project 24 is about making 24 films in 1 year. Usually when I'm making a film, I take a whole month, sometimes even more than that. Between arranging the files to cutting them up, designing the plot and the story of the video, then going down a loophole of procrastination, finally emerging out of it, and then just getting the damn thing done, then more procrastinating, then being so nitpicky with sound design, tweaking details that literally nobody else would notice, to color grading, and then after exporting at least 3 different versions with the most minor differences, doubting myself about whether I should even upload it. Even for this video, I was supposed to upload it 2 days ago on my actual birthday, but here I am re-recording this voiceover for the 5th time. To be honest, the creative process has been quite challenging for me. I feel like I take way too long creating videos and I don't create as prolifically as I could be. The whole of last year, I managed to finish only about 6 films. And now, I wanna make 24 frigging films. Yeah, I know, that's a lot of films, and to me as well, it's a little bit overly ambitious and kind of unrealistic, but I know I will do it because if there's anything that I've learned in my life is that when you put your mind to something, humans, we can achieve far more than we think we can. We have so much more potential than we are taught to believe. Now, Project 24, it's not my own original idea. I'm borrowing it from a friend of mine, Artes from Albania. She's a dope filmmaker. She's won a few awards all around the world. Kudos to her, she inspired me for doing this, and I'm gonna do it as well, but in my own way. I'm gonna make 24 films because there's 8 terabytes of content from the last 4 years of traveling around places like this that I've been doing that is just sitting there. It's not benefiting anyone. I want to release, there's so much creative energy in me and so many stories to tell that I just want to get them out. So Project 24 is going to allow me to do this. And moreover, it's going to allow me to build the habits that I need to become a legend. How are you? Are you okay? What's your name?
Describe.
Which one?
My name is Describe.
Oh, now we've got a whole entourage here in this little boat that I found here. When I started making this video, there was no one here, but everyone wants to join, so let them be. But anyway, I see life as 3 stages of 25 years each. And from 0 to 25, you're a student. From 25 to 50, you're trying to be a legend. And then from 50 to 75, you're trying to be a monk. And the first stage is about being a student. These kids over here, 0 to 25, including myself, we're all students. As a student, you're a sponge. You soak in everything. And it's not always in your control what comes in. This is the age where you create an image of the world, as well as an image of yourself in relation to it. The way that you see these two things can determine how the rest of your journey will go. Have you learned to see yourself as a magician in a world full of possibility? Or do you see yourself as a tiny little helpless cog in the machine? And then 25 to 50, you're trying to be a legend. For some, being a legend means becoming a parent and feeding the family. While for others, it means advancing in their career or mastering a craft. Being a legend could really mean anything. You get to decide. But whatever it is, you commit to it and you give it your all. For me, that is about being a kick-ass filmmaker who tells stories that are super authentic. So, Crystal, what are we about to do?
Oh, God. I'm about to drink blood. Not a lot, like a little.
I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I'm going to follow suit. Crystal starts.
Thank you.
Give me a smaller piece. Being a legend to me means seizing the day. It means dancing with the tribes. Smoking up with the Bushmen. It means going on adventures to find the most wild places. And taking the roads I can never forget. It means swimming with whale sharks and discovering epic new waterfalls.
Nature is so beautiful and so intoxicating with reality. When I'm in nature, I just feel so real.
Creating a lifestyle where I make my living from pushing myself out of the comfort zone, going to the most incredibly beautiful locations and connecting deeply with the diverse range of people. That's what I want to do, and during this Project 24, I'm going to prepare myself for doing that by putting out all the content that I have in my hard drive, all the stories that I've had, putting it out finally, stop being a perfectionist, stop being my own worst enemy, and just out there. The last stage of life, from 50 to 75, or if you live longer, you're blessed, and until whenever you die, that stage is about being a monk. It's about finding a greater purpose than this material reality. Humans have always wanted to strive for something more, for something transcendental. Maybe this is the age of spiritual enlightenment, or maybe just finding inner peace and coming to terms with your life, letting it all go. The grudges, the desires, the attachments. Life is a whole journey. You're taking it easy, you're being a student, you're pushing hard, you're being a legend, and then you just let it all go. So that is it, my friends. That's Project 24, and today is day 1. This is the first video / film I'm gonna make, and I'm gonna make 23 more different films. Every single one of them will be a different style, a different genre, and I'm still learning because after all, I'm not 25 yet. I'm still in the learning stage. I'm still a student, so I'm gonna experiment around with all different kinds of films and continue to travel and make more films. Project 24, let's go! Thanks for watching all the way till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe because you want to see the next 23 videos that I'm about to drop.